How to fix Microsoft Authenticator loop problem. So if you want to fix your Microsoft Authenticator loop problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Microsoft Authenticator, or first make sure that you have an internet connection, and after that search for Authenticator. Once you've searched for the Authenticator, now you need to tap and hold on to that application, go with the app info. Under the app info, you can go with storage and cache. You can just simply go with storage and cache, and under storage and cache, you need to go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and you need to open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Authenticator. After searching, here you will have the Microsoft Authenticator. So if you have any updates, then you just need to simply go and update your Microsoft Authenticator. After updating, your problem will be fixed. And after updating, you just need to simply go and restart your device, and that's it. That's how you can fix your Microsoft Authenticator app loop problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.